What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? Congratulations. Thanks for showing interest in this phenomenal business opportunity. My name is Dalvin Smith. As you can see, Executive Vice President in my econ. Okay, I'm doing this quick presentation and give you a quick breakdown of how everything works. Okay, just follow along with me and you can see how you can become an Executive Vice President. I'm also a EVP Gold as well. Okay, so I'm not just the second rank. I'm really the third rank in this business opportunity. Executive Vice President Gold. Okay, let me show you guys the products that you will get when you get started. The products are phenomenal. The reason why I joined the opportunity. Okay, someone introduced me to the opportunity. I saw how the cash flow works, how the credit repair works and stuff like that. All the benefits, the benefits speaks for itself. Okay, when you first get started, this is what you get when you get started. When you get enrolled, become a business owner. Okay, when you join this company, you'll be a business owner, not self-employed. Okay, what you guys get. Okay, you get ID Defender, right? Criminals do not want your money. They want your identity. Because they can go out and do anything with your identity. So, ID Defender is a good choice. Okay, we also got credit repair. Smart credit repair system. It teaches you how to fix your credit, how to send out letters, how to dispute inquiries. Right? We also got Cash Flow Manager. This app right here helped me save a lot of money in the last 2 weeks that I've been in this business. So I've been putting in every check that I get in from my online business, right? And it teaches me how to manage my money, how to invest in it, how much to invest, how much to save, how much to spend. Okay? Some of you guys, a lot of you guys, I'm not gonna say some of you guys, a lot of you guys are broke because you do not know how to manage your money. Sad to say, but it's true. But we also got book traveling, discounts on hotels, rental cars, trucks, SUVs, mobile homes, a lot more discount, up 30% discounts. We also have health and nutrition. If you type of person that's into health and nutrition, you can say this product as well. This product speaks for itself. They have the hairspray to keep your hair good, natural, and healthy. We also got other teas and stuff that make you lose weight and stuff like that. We also got coffees, different types of coffees, different types of brands as well. Right? We also got Cashback Mall, one of my second favorite. I can go to Walmart and shop and I get 30% of my money back. If you just add that up, 30% of your money back going to Walmart, JCPenney, Macy's, what else they got? There's a lot of other retailers out there that they have in this platform, Cashback Mall, right? We also got roadside assistance, road insurance, right? And this is like an extra $8 a month just to keep this service. And the service speaks for itself as well. You need the service, roadside assistance service anywhere, right? They will call. You can call on my econ. They can get you contacted with someone like a dispatch or something like that, and they can help you out for $8 a month, right? You also got credit monitor, right? You know how you can go to these stores and you got to swap your credit to see can you get this product, get this car, you know what I'm saying? They monitor your credit, you know what I'm saying? So they can let you know like what's going on before it happens, right? And these three, one of my favorite. ID Defender, credit repair, credit monitor. I love Cashback Mall as well too. But these are all the benefits that you would get. Okay. Now you asking how much is it to get started? It is $34.95. Right. You can invest $34.95 to get all these benefits and also make an additional income. Generate another income. Okay, we got passive income, we got residual income. It's a phenomenal opportunity. My econ has been around for about 14 years now, debt free. Helped over thousands of people financially. Help people quit their job, walk away from their job. Help people get a raise at their job. Tax minimizing. Yeah, they help you put your taxes back in your check every Friday, every Thursday, whenever you get paid. Then when taxes roll around, they help you get more. Okay? And this plan right here is called the Income Shifting Membership. Right? $34.95 to get started. I paid the $34.95, right? But the promotion just ended. 1995 promotion just ended, and it was mind blowing. Like, you could have got started for 1995 if you just got in. But before it ended on the 29th, so you had got in before all this right here. In 1995, you could have been in a position to make money weekly, right? So these are the benefits that you will get, all the products and services, they speak for themselves to give you the right peace of mind, right? And the credit repair, it helps you get up to $750 or even more. So if you got a $400, $500, you know what I'm saying, you join this business opportunity, we can show you how you can fix your credit, right? We can show you how you can fix your credit in my econ, right? So let me show you, when you join my team or anybody else's team that's in my econ, right, you'll get added to our Facebook group, and we got a lot of people ranking up. Let me just show you guys. We got a lot of people ranking up on our team. We got team training right here, right? People showing their commission checks right here. People showing their commission checks. Okay. When you first start, you become a marketing director, right? So I am executive vice president, gold. Yeah. So I earn more, right? So when you join as a marketing director, don't feel discouraged. You still make money. So we got people coming in right now. As you can see, one of my business partners named Maya, she bringing people in like clockwork, and we getting people paid, right? When you first get started, I will help you bring your first 2 people in. The first 2 people, so you can upgrade, so you can rank up to executive vice president, right? So we got everything in here. We got people who've been doing it for years in here. They teaching us methods, teaching how to run this business. You got our support in this group right here. Now it's a closed group. In order to join this group, you have to be a paid member. Right? Now let me go to the comp plan real quick. Okay, when you get started, like I said, it's $34.95. Right? They cover your whole income membership, right? Income shifting membership. Sorry about that. You have the ID Defender, credit repair, cashback mile, roadside assistance, the nutrition. You have the coffee. You have all the products, right? So let me show you this right here real quick. When you join, this is you right. You become, what I said, a market director, MD. Your first 2 people you bring in, you will make $10. Not much at all, but they give you ability to rank up to EVP, executive vice president. Now you're making $35 per sale to infinity, right? So what we call here is your base shot, right? When you pass someone up, I'm not gonna say pass someone up. When, for example, if Bob bring in Susie and Jamie, right, you would get $25 right here. You get $25. Bob brings Susie, and Jamie. You'll get $25. 25, that's 50. Steve brings David and Roy. 25. Right? Jill brings in Stephanie and Anna. 25. So you can see you earn $25 through infinity every time someone brings their first 2 sales in. Right? You start as an MD, right? First 2 sales, $10. The next one into infinity is $35, Alright, I just want to show you guys there right there. But the opportunity is phenomenal. As you see all the part of the service you get. But let me show you guys a little proof real quick that I do get paid. Yeah, I just joined this business about 2 weeks ago. I got my first deposit. I'm trying to see. It was back. I'm not sure what the date is, but I'm going to go to it to show you guys. I got my first deposit was like $53. I brought in 3 people. Right? And so you go to my reports. But my first deposit was $53. It's not much at all, but the work I put in after that, my income started growing. And it's still growing right now as you speak. I'm show you right now. I mean, on my team, you know, I'm not looking to build a massive team. I'm looking to help my team earn money. Right? I'm not looking to build a team of 100 associates. I'm looking to build my team and show them how to earn money. So my econ, I just joined, and it has been a normal takeoff. You can see I got 31 people on my team, and everybody's getting paid, as you can see. Everybody's making money. Everybody is making money. People ranking up. Everybody's making money. 31 people. I'm not gonna show y'all the names. Let me show y'all income proof real quick. Show you my deposit. Right. From the promotion end on the 29th, right? And a lot of people made some good money. But when I jumped on, you know, I was just focused on building a team. I wasn't really focused on just going promote. I just built me 3 people, showed them how to make money. And now they making money as well. Right, my first deposit was $53. My second deposit was $313. Now I'm finna show you guys. This stuff do work, and it is legit. It was a legitimate business. Okay. Like I said, when you join, you become a business owner. You become a business owner. This is a phenomenal business. You see my deposit. Like I said, my first deposit was $50.50. And you can see the growth of that. I just been in for 2 weeks. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna tell you a story. I've been in for 2 weeks. I jumped in the promotion. It was $19.95 to get started. $34.95. Promotion ends. I'm sorry that you missed the promotion, but $34.95 is not that much. Alright. So here you see $53.50, then jump to $313.50. Sorry. This week I will be getting a $600 deposit. And you would just see the growth. I will constantly show you guys the growth. But it's only $34 to get started. $34.95 to get started. Right? You get plugged in with all the products and services. You get added to our Facebook group. You can see people still coming in. Everything is legit about this opportunity. You know, we better change a lot of people's lives. That's why we call it My Econ Takeover. Okay? Now, you watching this video, if you have any questions, get back with me. You know? I'm going to have a video at the below this video. I'm going to show you some bank account income proof. Alright, so all said and done, you guys have a blessed day. Come join the team My Econ. You can see people ranking up. People bringing in. My business partner is killing it. Killing it. But all said and done, you guys have a blessed day. If you have any questions, let me know. Come join the My Econ Takeover family. I see you guys on the inside. Peace.